The power of hopes. Hope is a small word, but it has great meaning. It lives deep inside our hearts. Sometimes we cannot see it, but we can feel it. Hope is like a light in the dark. It helps us move forward when life is hard. It tells us things can get better. It gives us the strength to keep going, even when we are tired or afraid. Everyone feels sad or lost sometimes. There are moments when life feels heavy. We may feel alone. We may not know what to do next. In those times, hope speaks softly. It tells us to wait, to breathe, to try again tomorrow. Hope is not loud, but it is strong. It does not push us. It walks with us. Hope does not take away the pain, but it gives us a reason to face it. It helps us see beyond the sadness. It helps us believe that better days will come. When we have hope, we can stand tall, even in the storm. We can cry, but still look up. We can fall, but still get up again. Hope can live in many places. It can come from a kind word, a smile, or a memory. It can come from a dream about the future. It can come from love. Sometimes we find hope in the people around us. Sometimes we find it inside ourselves. It grows slowly, like a flower after the rain, and when it grows, it makes everything feel lighter. Even a small hope is powerful. It does not need to be big. It can be the simple wish for peace, for joy, or for a better tomorrow. It can be the quiet thought that says, "I will be okay." This small voice helps us take one more step. It helps us stay alive in our hearts. Life is full of change. Sometimes things go well, and sometimes they do not. We do not always have control, but hope helps us stay calm in the middle of change. It tells us that the story is not over yet. That more is possible, that we are stronger than we think. When we lose hope, the world becomes cold. Everything feels far away. We stop dreaming, we stop smiling, but when we find hope again, the light returns. We start to see beauty again. We start to care again. Hope brings colour back to life. Hope is not always easy to keep. Sometimes bad things happen again and again. We may feel tired. We may want to give up. But even then, hope waits for us. It does not leave. It stays close, like a friend who is quiet but true. Sometimes we forget about hope, but it does not forget us. Many people around the world live with pain, fear, or loss, and yet many of them still have hope. They smile, they sing, they help others. This is the power of hope. It lifts people up. It brings them together. It helps them believe in life again. Hope is also the beginning of change. When we hope, we start to act. We try new things. We speak kind words. We look for new answers. We believe that something better can happen. Hope gives us the reason to begin, and beginning is the first step to a new path. Hope can be shared. When we give hope to others, it grows. A small word of love, a quiet moment of care, these can give someone new hope. And when we see someone else hoping, it helps us hope too. In this way, hope connects people. It makes us feel less alone. Children are full of hope. They believe in tomorrow. They dream without fear. They show us how to hope again. When we watch a child play, laugh, or imagine, we remember the feeling of hope. It is soft, but it is full of life. It reminds us that there is always something good ahead. As we grow older, we may forget to hope. Life becomes busy. Worries grow. But it is never too late to hope again. Hope is not only for the young, it is for everyone. It belongs to all hearts. We only need to listen to it again, and it will return. Sometimes, when everything feels dark, hope can be the only light. We may not know how things will get better. We may not see the way. But hope says, keep walking. Hope does not give answers. It gives courage. It says, you are not alone, and that is enough to begin again. Hope is also gentle. It does not fight or force. It simply waits. It waits for us to open our hearts. It waits for us to believe again. And when we do, hope becomes stronger. It becomes a guide, a helper, a friend. I believe that everyone needs hope. We need it as much as we need food, water, and air. Hope feeds the soul. It gives us light in the dark. It gives us strength when we are weak. It gives us love when we feel empty. With hope, we can face anything. We must care for our hope. We must protect it. We must let it grow. We must give it time. Hope is a quiet seed. We plant it with love. We water it with faith. And in time, it becomes a tree, strong and full of life. Hope is not a dream without action. It is a dream with steps. It is a wish that moves. It is a feeling that gives life to the future. It helps us become better people. It helps us make a better world. When we live with hope, we live with purpose. At the end of each day, hope says, try again. At the start of each morning, hope says, today is a new day. And in the middle of hard times, hope whispers, you are not alone. These simple words can change everything. So hold hope in your heart, even when things are hard, even when the road is long. Let hope be your light. Let it lead you forward, because with hope, anything is possible. And with hope, we are never truly lost.